Congratulations to the Tech Big team. Appreciate the invitation from Kasha, Christoph, and Chris on the support show. And I think this is an exciting platform. So happy to be here. So like Kasha said, I work for Jabil. I'm based out of St. Petersburg, and I'll start by introducing Jabil so we kind of have some context on where Jabil is coming from when it looks at technologies like that, and then we will kind of move into the different contents. So I think at the beginning I would like to acknowledge that the ecosystem and the industry around has really helped has really helped us in these unusual times. So for our customers, we thank them for their faith and for trusting them with their products. To our ecosystem partners that are part of the audience here, including TechBlack, we really appreciate your support and your contribution that goes in a long way to our execution. And most importantly, to our people that keep the factories and the laboratories running. A lot of content I share comes through the hard work of the team, and I want to make sure we acknowledge them at the beginning of the talk. Okay, so thank you. So just a quick snippet into Jabil. So Jabil manufactures everything from cream cheese tubs to aircraft parts, and a lot of different product categories in between, for lifestyles, for retail, for printing, automotive, in energy, mobility, cloud computing, agriculture, healthcare, and digital home. So there is a lot of products Jabil manufactures. And when Jabil looks at the technology, we are really looking to see how this fundamental technology can be applied in different flavors across all these product domains and at large scale and volume, right? So I think that's kind of the perspective Jabil takes at, especially with flexible hybrid electronics. All right. So I think if we look at digital transformation and the way it has been happening, it was typically driven for cost, comfort, and convenience reasons, right? In almost all industries. For example, in healthcare, the reimburse are driven by health outcome models. For consumer, it was about customization and personalization, and for business, it allowed you service X as a service, right, which allows you the mix and match and selection of important tools. So traditionally, the big thrust with digital transformation has been how can I reduce cost, how can I give comfort, and can I make it convenient to deliver a product, to deliver a service, or to manufacture. So we did a survey early last year, and we asked a broad segment of people about digital transformation. And I'm going to present just a couple of examples because they are related to the content I'm going to present. Right. So when we asked about digital healthcare, and how many different categories the respondents were developing a digital platform for. So you can basically take a look, and almost in all cases, every segment of the medical equipment or medical device market was included in the digital transformation plan. And then when you look at these specific examples, you will notice that printed or flexible hybrid electronics can have an impact in a lot of different applications. So it really has a wide spectrum of application within the digital health market. So this is kind of the one end of the spectrum, right? The where risk, where health, where well-being is critically important. And then on the other side, yeah, is smart retail, where cost and convenience kind of drive the factor. So even within that, you will notice there were several categories where digital transformation was happening. And then if you look down on the individual levels, then you will notice printed electronics can really impact, say for example, smart packaging in case of smart retail. And then by enabling smart packaging by printed or flexible hybrid electronics, you can actually impact a wider section of this digital transformation. Because if you have a smart package, you can optimize the self checkout station, you can help with theft reduction, you can help with auto replenishment, which is